Hey everybody, okay, so I got this thing the other day and I'm trying it out. So this thing here is the whatever, Schiara, whatever. It's a posture corrector. And so this is what it came in the bag like this. This is the thing and this is the manual. And you can kind of see it looks like that. And it explains, how to put it on and whatnot. I mean, I don't know if I need to explain everything to you on how it works, but if you wanted to screenshot it for the instructions, you can. And blah, 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 more. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. And so you can see it's this device. And so what it's supposed to do is pull my shoulders back so I don't look like a knuckle dragger or whatever you call those things there with a hunchback. I don't want to look like a hunchback. So this is it. So now I put it on. And so you can see what it looks like in the back there. And you can see what it looks like in the front. So this is gonna be interesting. And then it's got these, here, which are, adjustable things to make it tension it up a little bit. But you can see, even with it's pretty tense right now. But so if I lower it here, say whatever, see it's pulling my shoulders back. So hopefully this is gonna give me better posture. So it says it's supposed to work within just like a few weeks and stuff. But I'll tell you what, you guys can watch my videos rather than me doing a full review here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start wearing this thing whenever I'm around the house. I probably won't wear it out because it looks silly. And if I wear it under my shirt, it's gonna chafe here and it's not gonna feel very comfortable. So I'm just gonna kind of wear it when I'm around the house and we'll see how it goes. But watch my videos and stuff and you'll be able to see. If you look at some of my old videos, I've been wearing it for a little bit, so you can kind of even compare this video to it. But look at some of my old videos and look at some of the newer ones and as it goes, and we'll see if my posture gets corrected. So that's the goal with this, is to have better posture. So we'll see if I can sit up straight more. I also have been working out a lot more too, so hopefully I'm getting in better shape. We'll see how it works, and also hopefully pull my neck up so I look taller. So it's hard for you guys to tell if I'm taller or not, because I'm usually sitting down. But we'll see. So far it seems comfortable, fits good. As far as being well made, I would say yeah, it's well made. It's not falling apart, and I've been wearing it for a few days. So for that part, I'm gonna say quality, thumbs up. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description, so if you guys wanna give this thing a try, you can too. It's pretty inexpensive. I can't remember, $20, $25 or maybe even less. But it's worth it. And if it works, it's amazing to get this kind of a result from just wearing a little thing. People say wearing a backpack with weights would do a similar type of thing too, so you could try that. But this is way less intrusive, and I can lean back and watch TV or whatever I need to as well. So there we go. So thanks, thumbs up. Link in the description, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks, bye.